In a world where clothes seem to shrink mysteriously, one man finally uncovers the truth. Picture this. He's trying on a pair of pants and they're tight. He's been blaming the washing machine, thinking it's the culprit behind the shrinking trousers. But no, the plot thickens. In a twist of events, he realizes the problem isn't in the laundry room, it's in the kitchen. Yes, you heard it right. The refrigerator, that cold, silent ally in midnight snack crimes, is the real villain. It's not the pants that have become smaller, it's the waistline that has become larger. So next time you find your favorite jeans a bit snug, remember, it's not the laundry, it's the refrigerator. Welcome to the humorous side of life where laughter is the best medicine and pants are just, well, pants.